In this series, you're gonna learn how to be fast and proficient at Neovim, so you won't need to use that nonsense VS Code.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
You're pathetic. You don't deserve the speed you were given.
So, let's start cloning the Neovim repository. Just check out the nightly branch. So, from here you will need to install some dependencies depending on your operating system. I will leave a link to this page down in the description. Now, run the make command with -j4 flag. This will download another set of dependencies that it needs to run. Now, let's just set the CMake build type to release and we are good to install. To ensure that everything is correct, execute nvim --version. Here we can see that it's working fine. Now, for a final tip, you can use any terminal of your choice. I am using Alacrity, that's the one that I always use. There's also Kitty, that is very similar to Alacrity in terms of performance. So, that's it for this video guys, and I see you in the next one.